In order to use the craft well without any malfunctions, the coolant and dust collector filter must be replaced once a month. When it is time to replace the dust collector filter, the dry button blinks at the bottom of the home screen. Go to the tool screen and press the bag filter button. Click the bag filter reset proceed button. Open the table door, hold the dust collector handle and pull to take out the dust collector. Open the dust collector lid and check whether the filter is full of dust. If the filter is full of dust, replace the filter with a new one. If it isn't full, you can reconnect it and continue using it. During wet milling, residues from various materials can be left behind. Most of the time residues will be filtered, but, if you use for a long time, residues will accumulate at the bottom of the water tank and cause blockage, causing problems to the motor or hose. Clean the coolant tank once a month and, please replace the coolant.